So last week I got the brand new Stamp and Storage DoorMate desk cabinets. So these are um, like their big drawer cabinets that fit in the IKEA units. However, these are sized to sit on top of your desk. So I got two different ones, one with 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch drawers. These are 14 inches high and 7.5 inches deep. So there's my first one. Here is the second one. So this one has a different configuration. This one has 5 2-inch tall drawers, and they come with all 1-inch drawers, or I believe 3 of the 3-inch drawers with a 1-inch drawer. So these are all 2-inch drawers. Again, 7.5 inches deep, and or 7.25 inches deep, and about 14 inches wide, 14 inches tall. The inside of the drawers, when you pull these out completely, are about 2.25 inches deep. And they all just slide in and out of there absolutely perfectly. So I was using this to replace a different drawer unit I had from Michaels that was about 10 inches deep, and about the same width. I think it was maybe half an inch uh, narrower as far as the overall width, but the depth on the one I replaced was about 10 inches. So it kind of stuck out into my workspace here over on the left-hand side of my desk. So my top drawer here, I've got my stamps, my custom stamps from Tailored Expressions that I use on the backs of uh, cards and things, occasionally on albums. I'm literally just taking everything that was in that drawer, and I did refine my organization on this after the fact. I was just kind of recording and seeing how much I actually could fit into one of these units before I, um, really went through and organized it to see. And I was able to get everything, and there was a ton of stuff in that smaller cabinet into one of these with room to spare. So I did order the half size tray inserts for a couple of these 1 inch deep drawers for the first unit. And these have like a little divided space of about a little over 3 by 4 inches. So I was able to get quite a bit in there. This one I put some of my different tools and things in here. I don't think I got a whole lot in this second one just because I had gotten some of the smaller items in that first one. I did go back later on and fill this up. So the drawers themselves are open on the ends, especially on the 1 inch drawers. The 2 and 3 inch deep drawers do have sides. So I was able to kind of go back and forth and get some tweezers and smaller tools and things, and like those leaf pens. I got my odd sized glues and tools that I use for cards in one of these, um, bone folders, knives, that kind of thing in one, and then some pens and things kind of laid across on this one, which I did end up putting all of the pens in the 2 inch drawer, which like a ton of other pens, but we'll get to that here in just a minute. Because I actually replaced some other organization things that I had in another. You'll see that here in just a minute. So that's just some jump drives that have some small SVG files like for cards and things that I don't think I've ever actually used, but I got them for a really good price and they come in handy. So I've got backup scissors, my battery pack, some other little tools and things that I just kind of stuck in there. And this was literally just what was in that other drawer unit. And as you can see, I haven't even used the 3-inch drawer. So now I've moved on to the 2-inch unit, which I ended up kind of reconfiguring. These punches, the corner rounders, all ended up in actually the big 3-inch drawer because I could stand them up on their end. That's my stamp press tool, masking, like low tack masking tape that I use with stamping and cards and stencils and that kind of thing. But what I was trying to do at this point, see, here's where I ended up moving them so I could stand them all up on their end in that 3-inch drawer that I had not used yet from the first unit. I was able to put my paper pouncers that I use for a couple of specific colors, some other blending tools in here that I use for, specific colors, my notch punch, um, just a bunch of things in here that have been sitting on a plastic kind of carousel thing, taller thing that just didn't hold as much as I would like. So there's my stamp cleaning tool from Tailored Expressions, my glitter grab from Tailored Expressions. And Tailored Expressions actually partners with Stamp and Storage. So I've got like their big storage cases that I use for some of my blending brushes and things. I've got their storage case for their smaller plastic cases that I use for travel. And I've got a bunch of like smaller blending brushes and foam dots and pens and tools and things in those. So I was just kind of emptying out the other container at this point and just literally kind of throwing things in the drawer to see how much space I was gaining by moving that carousel unit. So right here, I'm just like kind of trying to separate some of the smaller things from the larger things. I'm putting that first 2-inch drawer back. I've still got the 3-inch there, and then I ended up switching to just the 2-inch, and there's the carousel thing, as you can see, that I'm literally just kind of going through and pulling things off of this. So I have like a couple of cube stamp pads that I use just, when I need to quickly get some black ink for something. Just other random tools and things that I'm emptying out of the top of this because it just, I liked this initially. It just catches on everything. I had it sitting up on what I've actually got my computer now, a monitor stand that I bought at IKEA that's got a drawer in it that I absolutely love. That I've got, slid over. I was able to get rid of this little carousel thing that just did not hold as much as I would have liked. So here's the final after I've got those in. I've moved my monitor stand over and it's just much better organized.